Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be reading this biography about Thomas Rivera. Excuse me. Thomas Rivera. So this biography, which is biography, does anyone know? It tells about a person's life. As you're reading, I want you to look for information about why the person, which is Thomas Rivera, why he's important, and then also our focus today is sequence of events. So I want you to be thinking about the order that the events happen in our biography today. Remember, sequence of events, that is first, next, last. So think about what happens first in the story, next, and last. Today we're going to be reading about it and keeping that in mind as I read. Then tomorrow we'll come back and fill the chart out. So, Thomas Rivera. Thomas Rivera was born in Texas. Tomas and his family went from place to place picking crops. Thomas helped pick crops all day. It was a lot of work. When the work was done, Tomas would talk with his grandpa. Lots of work. So a question they're asking here is, I want you to think about, when do Tomas and grandpa work? They work all day long. When they're done, they talk with each other. Come quick, Grandpa called. It's time for stories. You tell the best stories, Tomas said. I wish I could tell great stories too. The next day, Grandpa said, we can get lots of stories for you, Tomas. When? Asked Tomas. Quick, hop in, Grandpa said with a wink. I'll show you. Grandpa drove the truck up the road. This is a library, said Grandpa. Look at all of the books, gasped Tomas. Read all you can, Tomas. It will help you think of lots of stories, said Grandpa. So by going to the library and reading books, you can come up and have tons of stories to share. There were lots of books for Tomas to read. Some were funny and made him laugh. He read about boats, trains, cars. He dreamed of space. Soon, Tomas was thinking of his own stories. Tomas began telling his stories. Then he wrote them on paper. So he got inspired and wrote his own stories. When he was grown up, Tomas got a job as a teacher. He still wrote stories. Tomas Rivera's stories tell about people picking crops, just as his family did. Lots of people read his books. So let's tell stories about what he did as a kid. Now his name is on a big library. Many people go to the library. They get books, just as Tomas did. So you're getting inspired. They get books, and then maybe they're going to go and write stories like he did. So, as I said earlier, when we come back tomorrow, our focus is going to be, we're going to dig deeper for the sequence of events. So, what happened first, next, and last as we read this biography. Keep that in mind. I'll see you guys tomorrow.